Okay, welcome to this presentation product video where we're going to demonstrate for you the Alltest 16 drug rapid test one-step urine cup with adulteration tests. We're showing you the carton outer here. Now the standard carton, shipping carton for full packs is a carton of 25. If we just bring you up and show you the details that you get on this label, you'll see the manufacturer's brand labelling is Alltest. This is a 16 drug rapid test. It's a one-step cup. Now it's got inbuilt adulteration screens. The unique feature of this cup is that it's got two, so a full set of adulteration urine checks. We've got them listed here. It's oxidants, specific gravity, the pH is tested, you screen for nitrates, glucose and creatinine levels, all basically giving you information that what you're about to interpret your drug results on is normal human urine, hasn't been diluted, hasn't been adulterated or tampered with. You'll see the contents of this package is 25 cup tests. You get one package insert and one adulteration interpretation colour chart, which is against the colour pads that you're looking for the change in those to know that it's in the normal range. Now the catalogue code for this is DUA 1167A3. A3 refers to the cup design. You also on here have the expiry date of the product that's packaged, and an abbreviation, short coding abbreviation of the 16 drugs included in this test. And on this particular cup you've got a screen that you're looking for opiates at 300 nanograms, MDMA, which is ecstasy, at 1000, oxycodone at 100, PCP at 25, cocaine and crack cocaine are screened for at 300, methadone at 300, tramadol at 300, benzodiazepines at 300, amphetamines at 1000, same for methamphetamines. K2 synthetic cannabis is screened for at 25 nanograms, ketamine at 1000 nanograms, fentanyl at 10 nanograms, THC at 50 nanograms, buprenorphine at 10 nanograms, pregabalin at 5000 nanograms, and then your adulteration tests. So you have individual 16 drug test screens in here, plus the two adulterations. And you also on the outer side, as we'll show you later, have the temperature test strip, which again is another chain of custody check just to ensure that you're about to run a test on healthy urine. So what we're going to do now is crack open this box and show you the outer foil and the inner pack contents.